Hey everybody, welcome back to Caleb's Outdoor Adventures. And on this episode, we're actually at Bruno State Park. We're out camping right now, and we're gonna have a amazing bonfire tonight. So, what's gonna happen is right now, me and my brother are gonna go out and try to find some wood for the bonfire. But we were just like hanging out, and I happened to stumble across that. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this. We'll let you know if we find any wood. And we're going to hopefully find some big logs and stuff and bring them back to camp. Okay, guys, so earlier today, we were on our bikes and we were going kind of far out somewhere else. I'm going to make a magnet fishing video. And I stumbled across a lot of wood in the sand. But over here, we're not seeming to find very much wood, but right now we're just looking. But over there's a big sand patch, so we're gonna try to go to it and see if we can find anything. We're rolling up on this patch of sand. There's wood right here, but it's not as thick of wood as I would like, so there's some wood up here. This was more what I was thinking and stuff, and right there. So this is perfect wood that is perfect for a bonfire. We'll put our pile right over there. And so right now we're gonna just get more of this stuff. This is perfect wood for what we need. Guys, we got all the wood back here. Now we're gonna go dump everything, like our waste, like our shenanigans, like our poo-poo, that kind of stuff. And maybe I'll video some of that. We made it to the station for, Daddy, is this for dumping the doo-doo?
Dumping the doo-doo.
I don't know if you guys seen the movie RV, but hopefully this doesn't go like that.
I'll get another hose. Fire in the hole!
Okay guys, we're back from our little adventure. We just went to the sand dunes. My dog was like going down those sand dunes. It was awesome. Now, for the video you guys have been waiting for, the bonfire video. So, when we were there, I found some extra wood right here. If you guys can see that, quite a bit of wood. Give us a nice bonfire, and then we're gonna find some tumbleweed. So this is our wood of choice. We have quite a bit of wood here, and this tumbleweed is just like gasoline. I feel like it is crazy. You guys will see in a second. It is so crazy. It's so perfect for a fire pit. So we got everything out here, and now we're gonna start the fire. It's a little bit windy out, so we don't know how well we're gonna be able to do this, because we're not gonna be able to make it super huge, but we'll still make it fun for you guys. Okay guys, so now we're gonna come in here, grab the matches and the lighter, matches and the lighter fluid. And we're not gonna need too much lighter fluid, but we're just gonna use some of it. Under there. There. There we go. Sweet. Okay guys, I think you know what time it is. Tumbleweed time. I'm telling you, this is like gas. This is crazy. Yeah. Here we go. guys. This is crazy. This is lighting up the place. Shoot. There's the big fire I got. I put some bigger stuff on it, but the last tumbleweed. Oh my word. Guys, now we're in the RV and Chef Juan is doing the things out in this one. Yeah. No, I cleared mine out good. So
it's called a banana boat.
Banana boat. So then we're gonna put it in our big fire out there.
You take a banana.
So you take a banana.
Take pieces of marshmallow.
That fire out there is really hot. Yeah, that's some good stuff right there.
Cover it up. You press it. Got yourself a little banana boat.
Got them on there. Let them sit, and I'll let you guys know when we eat them. 3 banana boats. We're testing it out. That looks like a good bite, possibly.
You should try one without Reese's.
I guess it's okay. I don't know.
Good bite, possibly.
I'll see you guys tomorrow. Guys, this is crazy. Everything's blowing away.
Somebody push this button right here.
I got it.
Caleb.
Keep red. Got it. Oh my word, guys. This is crazy. Guys, I said I was gonna see you guys tomorrow, but the wind has seriously picked up. This is crazy. Okay, guys, we're back out here. It's the next morning currently. We had a big storm, as you guys saw last night. Huge storm. It was crazy. All the RVs, everything's full of tumbleweed. It's crazy. It's a huge windstorm. Our RV was like, it was like crazy. Well, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this adventure today and yesterday, I guess. But make sure to go hit down that red subscribe button and hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure.